this video, we are going to run through exactly on how to upload an HTML file to your WordPress website. And this is a step-by-step tutorial, so please follow up and I will show you the exact method to do so. So now let's jump into it. So now I'm going to open my web browser and I'm going to simply proceed to my website. So this is a WordPress website, which is the wanalyzer.com, and now I need to upload this HTML file to my WordPress website. So how to do it? So I'll show you this HTML file by opening this file. So this is a HTML file, as you guys can see, wordcounter.html. So this file I need to upload to my WordPress website. So as a first step in this tutorial, I'm going to simply open my cPanel or the hosting program of my website, and I will simply log into my website or cPanel, and now I'm going to simply search for file manager. So if you guys can't access this file manager, you need to install the file manager plugin in the WordPress dashboard. So how to install it? Simply proceed to your WordPress dashboard and click on plugins and click on add new, and here you can simply search for file manager. So you guys can install this file manager or leave a space. So you guys can install this file manager or any other file managers where this will show you the files. So I'm going to proceed with the cPanel file manager, which is the best one, and I'm going to open the public HTML or the WordPress file. So this here is the files of my WordPress website, and now I'm going to simply proceed to my HTML file, and I'm going to compress this file to a zip file. So I'm going to simply click on show more, and I'm going to simply archive this file. So archive this in the zip format, and I'm going to simply make this as simple W, and OK. I'm going to simply click on OK to zip this. So you guys can see this has successfully zipped. Now I'm going to simply proceed to my cPanel, and I'm going to simply click on upload. So now I'm going to simply drag this file and I'm going to drop it over here. So I'm going to drop it over here. So you guys can see this has successfully uploaded. Now let's try. Now I'm going to close this one, and I'm going to simply click on reload to refresh these changes. So here this has been uploaded. Now I'm going to unzip this folder, and I'm going to simply click on extract, and I'm going to simply click on extract files. Okay, now as you guys can see, my file is successfully extracted. Now I'm going to simply delete this zip file, and this won't affect your HTML file. So I'm going to confirm this, and okay, as you guys can see, I have successfully uploaded this file. Now I'm going to simply proceed to my domain name, and I'm going to simply enter my file name. So as you guys can see, I have successfully uploaded my HTML file to my WordPress website. So you guys can see wanalyzer.com wordcounter.html. So before I have uploaded my HTML file to my website directly and easily. And that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe TechFox YouTube channel for more video tutorials like this. See you in the next one.